Ayan ang exit ng Canada. Dito kami ngayon na mag-exit kami ngayon dito sa Canada. Hello guys.
Ay, wait, my tongue.
Why? Dito kami mag-exit ngayon sa Canada. Uwi na kami. Exit kami ngayon. Uy, ang tanga. Oh.
Red.
Yeah, that's okay.
I bite my tongue.
Uwi na kami. Ayan, exit. Yan. Exit na kami. Exit na kami. Exit na kami. Exit.
Must be cooked. $3.40.
Wait, do I have to turn back this?
Exit na kami.
But yeah, actually we might get cooked. Do you know what's cooking?
Exit na kami.
Oh,
Exit
go
na
on,
kami
never
na.
mind.
Pauwi na kami ng Canada.
Go for it, go for it. Hit it.
Dito kami sa airport ng Canada. Ayan, exit na kami. Bye-bye. Yan, uwi na. Yan, tingnan nyo ang exit ng Canada. Punta kami, pauwi na kami sa bahay. Ayan.
Ayun sila, di ba?
What happened? Why'd you leave me? Like,
Buti, hindi natin sinama si tatay ano.
Froze me for like 5 seconds and then you died.
hurry up, bro.
Not my fault.
You always keep telling me with your lag.
It's not my fault.
It's your lag.
But it's still not his fault.
Post ka na.
Follow me, don't ever leave me.
Look,
Okay na ba? Para na ba?
You can move with your lag on.
look. And then I freeze. For seconds. And then
Go up. Follow.
I just froze again.
Say,
Dahil, ngayon pa lang. Oo tayo, na ano siya, na inspection, secondary inspection. Ano, random check. Pero hindi binuksan yung luggage niya, yung
Watch out, watch out.
binubuksan. Tinanong lang. Oo, hindi, eto na, paalis na ho. So,
under
sundan
us
na
now.
namin, is alis na tayo guys.
nice kill, good kill.
Ready na po kayo?
Get inside,
Hindi
get
na ho.
inside. Get inside the
Ano na ho
bush.
sila?
Hiwalay na ng sasakyan.
Hiwalay na kami sa sasakyan.
Babalikan ka lang namin. 5 minutes.
5 minutes tayo, tatay po.
Let's keep.
Tignan ko nga. Exit. Saan exit natin?
Diretso ma. Sa bar na tayo.
Saan?
Nice,
that?
Kiki.
Why?
I hit my shoulder on the
Wala
body.
akong mix. Dito lang dito.
Bakit nagsiset na ba?
Alam ko dito. Sige na. Pause ka na. Alam ko na.
Ready na ba?
They updated the game. What to do? Did we start? Bro, there. We have to do this fast. Nice. Done your time. I use my special ability. I see people.
Ma, I wonder how Warner didn't see him.
Tag mo lahat na.
Kasi sabi mo sa akin, ano,
What are you doing?
sana nagbabantay ako dun eh.
Go on, honey. Stay.
Mom,
Oh.
I still need to change my shirt.
You can change it at home.
Yeah. And there was a
Upgrade
bomb
was
there.
faster. You were heading into the bomb's direction.
No, that got no yeah. There's no bombs in my shirt.
Just run. We were in the edge of the grass.
Yeah, it was there too.
He was heading the other way. Yeah, you are so slow.